أبزح صار جزء قانق إنجليزي نملخ سكبر سعري أزيب زحينه حدا جن قالات مصنعي مرزات قالات لو من اليوم 100 قالاتهم زم 100 قالات ياتهم كم مصحفتي كم إنترنت كم تفاعل أبليكيشنز سبات كم تقوملو تمريزهم توم سبزحه بتدقاقامي تقوملهم نعم مملخ كلتافناي وعزونا نعمل قانق إنجليز زقلت فخون دحجزنا قالاتهم سلازي نخيل نظام 100 قالات أبحث الجزء أبعثرت 10 زي ما الجزء حدا بحدا مسترجمهم مس التقامهم كريومينا نخيل one time جزء what time is it ساعة نيرلو it's 7 o'clock ساعة شواتة كلاي person sub I am a person he is a person she is a person year عمد what year is this is 2024 way unfit can you show me the way to the post office na post office توصل مقدم محبر كاني way unfit way مقدم مالتي day مالتي what day is it today is Sunday thing what is this thing this is a book thing نجار ويزهون نجارات word علم the world is very big Africa is part of the world life he what life is good if you have health life is good he what from you if you have good health تعنا انت لك life hand eat give me your hand سلام تخنو على نسب give me your hand okay child قلعة that child is 7 years old عيني I have 2 eyes these are my eyes woman سبيتي she is a woman my mother is a woman place Bota this is the best place Venice is the best place to visit week someone a week has 7 days this week I did a lot of work case good day usually a bit for the reply the case is closed they say the case is closed فردم مستوعبة وسنة مستوسنة the case is closed case good day point not be I want to go from one point to another point كابحة not be نبتها not be وعزد اللهم okay government منغستي many governments are working to help their people company تكال our company in Dubai is working very well fact چبوت حقي ويكا بمس opinion مودرار أنصار opinion الرأي fact جن بناي زخون يكون سبب الرأي حد عين سوى نجار okay چبوت ويحقي problem سجم what's your problem تاي سجم كا what's your problem زم حسي عايز رانيام nouns كلام حجي verbs كبيرنا verb ويجسي زفت سامزول نجار أمغلاس أنت كملو part of speech be مخان what do you want to be be حجة بينا ذي كونه حموش عاد قالوا am is are was were كلن زين حدا نقدر أنت خم نهون نزل زين so what do you want to be when you grow up صعبها أنت تكون تدلي I am a teacher أنا he is a student is am زين كلهم أنت كم زخانة يقولوا have مهلاو I have a bicycle do مفتسام وي متغبر I do some exercise every morning. I do my work very well. I do my work very well. سرحي بكبو سرح نمبال. Say مبال. I say health is important. تعنا أقدس يقبل. I say health is important in life. Go مخاد. Go to school. I go to school every morning. أنا نقول هو وي معلتوي نبيت متخيل أمبال. come نعم وي مسا. come here. come to me. come back soon كالتفكا تمرس كم كلنا. give me a book. give me some money. give مهابين. give me هبني. give him هبو. give her وينها هبا. يقوم لذي give مهاب. you نسها. you are listening to me now. You are a student. You نسها. find مركب I can't find my key I can't find my key or did you see my key مفتاحي ريخالو I can't find it I can't find my key مفتاحي كرهوي كالكم tell منقار tell me the truth ask محتاج ask him محتاجه ask her محتاجها if you have any question you can ask me حتى تليكا كتحتى ندخلها ask محتاج work مسرح I work in a school she works in the hospital seem ممثال it seems right كنعت تمثل it seems straight تخز بلد تمثل حرقا انت مثل كنجلس كلنا مالتيو feel سمعتيو I feel cold زحليس معن له I feel he is right السوق كنا كوينو يسمع له feel سمعت بجتفاي منكعو try مفتان you can try that jumper you can try that shoes تجمعك تأكنا تغليها سايز كم هان براي try leave مخات leave this room please we are busy okay or leave the train leaves at 8 in the morning تبابور ساعة شمون تنهو تبقس leave مخات وي مبقس كونكولو call give me a call okay now I'm busy later give me a call دولة لي نمبال اوكي كاسيلنا اليوم adjectives يوم adjectives أزي ما قد سيمنات adjective مالت قلاتي مالت نستفاي نقاط نقلس كان عندكم ولهم قالات ويقلس تقالات نقولهم adjectives good صبو the opposite of bad first the first question is this تقدمي تحته زي first قدامي last بنصارو موداتا the last question is difficult تاني موداتا حته برتعتيا كم خلنا long نوح it is a long journey it's a long journey نوح ساعات قعزوي great صبو great this is great little I have a little brother little نيشتوي I have a little problem إيش يسألون لني كلهم تكمل نخل own means to have ونان ويمهلاو I own this company نزي company زي أنا own ويكا از company زي ناتي المبال أقدمنا have يعني I have a company ويكا I own the company نت company أنا own old أرجيت ويكا نوح أدمج جبره okay the book is old the building is old وين سأل متحجنا how old are you كندية كله أدمه نمبال right to the right to the left to the right to the left نيمان نسقام right وين كله تقولنا right كنا you are right it is right مكلنا مالتي big أبي the world is big the company is big أبي high أزل علي the mountain is very high that building is very high للعلي لا لازم نقول كلامات different زتفلي answerنا the same okay different this is a different color okay black is very different from white whatever small نشتوي ants are small large عبي elephants are large so you can see them by comparison ants حسابه are small elephant is large next كتسيب المسة وي كتسيب زلو who is next من يزوصل ويبترى زلو المبال early أب مجمرة أب كاب مجمرة ماتي بساكتين مش نقول تأثره early in the morning نقول هينو أب مجمرة نقول early in the afternoon أب مجمرة نهاراتي كاب فادو ساعة حدا مات لذي early around the beginning of something early in the year أب مجمرة عمل نورحون early in the month يعني على حدا على كتاخون غد young نشتوي my boy is young important تغامي أقدسي learning a language is important few وحد نزغط زنغر I have a few books here I will go and bring more وحد مسحف لني few public ህዝባዊ I don't use public transport. I don't use public transport. ናይ ህዝባዊ መጓዓዝያ ይጥቀምኒ buses are usually public transport. ስለዚህ public ህዝባዊ bad the opposite of good bad ሕማቅ good ጽቡቅ this is bad you cannot eat it it has been out of the fridge ስለዚህ በላይ ተኸኒሃ ተባላሽዩ bad ካብ ዝቐጽልና prepositions ክሪና prepositions ናይ ክልተ ነገራት position ወይ ከዓ physical connection ዘርዩ ቃላት እዮም to ናብ let's go to school direction in up ወይ ኣብ ውሽጢ I'm in Kampala for this is for you እዚ ንዓኻ እዩ ክንብል ከለና on ሓደ ነገር ብላዕሊ ምህላው ይሕብር ብፍላይ ከዓ እቲ ጠቕሶልና ነገር ኣብ ልዕሊ ሓደ ነገር ለጊቡ ከሎ the book is on the table okay with miss I want to go with you okay I want to go with you at ንግዜ ኾን ከሎ specific time ትከውሉ at 7 o'clock at 6 o'clock okay by transport by bus he went by bus በእግር ኾን ከሎ he went on foot from position ሓደ ካብ ሓደ ናብ ሓደ ቦታ ናትከልና ነቲ ናይ መጀመርያ ፓርቲ ይገልጽ from to okay from the bottom of my heart በኻል መገድኻ from the bottom of my heart ካብ ልበይ ንምባል ስለዚ ካብ ዝብል ናይ ትግርኛ ቃል up he went up the road he's driving up the road up ንላዕሊ ገጹ ክኾን ከሎ ወይ ምንቅስቓስ ክኾን ከሎ የርእየና about ብዛዕባ what are you talking about what are you talking about ብዛዕባ እንታይ ትዛረብ ኣለኻ into I'm into music I'm into music I love music into I'm into music I love music over ብላዕሊ ሕጂ ምስ on ክንሪኦ on ኣብ ሓደ ነገር ኮፍ ኢሉ ከሎ over ካ ከይተተናኸፈ ብላዕሊ ዝሓብ ነገር ክንገልጽ ከለና our work is not over ኣብዚ ኸ ሓደ ነገር ከም ተወደአ ወይ ከም ዘይተወደአ ክንገልጽ ከለና our work is not over ስራሕ ኣይተወደአን ንምባል after ብድሕሪ come after me follow me okay or this is after this ሓደ ድሕሪ ሓደ ምዃኑ ኣብ ምሕባር ሕጂ ቀፂለ ዝቐረብካ ካብ ዝተፈላለዩ parts of speech እዮም ካብቶም ኣቐዲምና ፈይና ክንሪኦም ፀናሕና ፍልይ ዝበሉ ማለት እዩ the article እዩ ንፍሉጥ ነገር ወይ ንፍሉጥ ሰብ the boy is coming ኢልና እቲ ወዲ ክንዛረበሉ ፀናሕና ወይ ክልቴና ፍሊጥና ዘለና ማለት እዩ ትዛረብ ዘሎን ትሰምዕ ዘሎን ብመንፅር ኤ ክንሪኦ ንኽእል a boy is coming ኢልና ሓደ ወዲ መፅእ ኣሎ ዘይንፈልጦ ክኾን ይኽእል እዩ and connective እዩ ንክልተ ቃላት ዝላግብ Helen and Haile are in class. They are in class. Helen and Haile ክልተ similar ዝኾነ part of speech ዝኾኑ መላገብን ጥቀመሉ that demonstrative pronoun ኣብ ርሑቕ ዘሎ ከነመልክት ከለና demonstrative ኣመልካቲ ወይ ንምልካት ማለት እዩ that is a boy that is my brother ስለዚ that ኢልና ኣብ ርሑቕ ዘሎ ቀረባት ኮይንካ this ብምባል ንጠቕሶ ኣነ I am a teacher it ህይወት ዘይብሉ ነገር ወይ ከዓ ንእንስሳ ክንጠቅስ ከለና he ንወዲ ኣብ ርሑቕ ዘሎ she ንጓል it ግን ንነገር ክንጠቅስ ከለና in fact ንእንስሳ እውን ክኸውን ይኽእል it is a dog ወይ ከዓ it is a computer ክንብል ንኽእል not negative marker እዩ ኣሉታ ምዃኑ ሓደ ነገር ኣብ ምልክት ይሕብረና ንኣብነት he is a teacher ኢልና እሱ መምህር እዩ he is not a teacher ኢልና ግን መምህር ኣይኮነን ስለዚ ኣይኮነን ዝስምዕ ኔጌቲቭ ስቴትመንትስ ወይ ኣብ ትግርኛ ኣሉታ ክንገልጽ ከለና ንጥቀመሉ he ንሱ ንወዲ she ንሳ ንጓል it እሱ ወይ ሳ ነገር as ከም he works as a manager in the company he works as a manager as ከም ንምባል you ንስኻ you are listening to me now you are listening to me እስኻ ትሰምዓኒ ኣለኻ this ኣብ ጥቓና ዘሎ ነገር ከነመልክት ከለና ንጥቀመሉ this is a laptop this is a table whatever ካልእ ባት ክልተ ኣንጻራዊ ዝኾኑ ነገራት ከነላልዮ ከለና he is clever but he doesn't work hard. نفعيو كنا يسعرني but كلته contrast كوبناغا كنا أقرب كلنا. him this is a pronoun. he pronoun استوهم كله him كا نوعه كم object أقرب كله مالتي. they نبوزحات ساتهم ساتسأكال. they are coming. they are working. her pronoun نقول نعا. okay she نساوينه her جن نعا كم object كن قل صحناتي. he gave her the book or I gave her the book. مصحف نعا يبيع ممكننا or كلته نقرأت كنا ما ذكرنا this or this. do you want an orange or an apple? orange ده شكا ويس apple تفاح كنا will is a feature marker. نتي actions قال أبكر بمسا مسا مهاني هبرنا. okay I work hard. أبرتيا سره. نتا work الميا will تبينا I will work hard. future marker مسا مهانو هبرنا أبرتيا كسره. my ناتي أنا I am a teacher. the book is mine. my book مسحافي أمبال. 1 is a number. 1 2 3 هذا all كله all of them تلنا كلاتهم all of them are in class. okay would مبل كوني روي conditional زهانة كم زمهانا نيرهم كنا نتكلم الله عليه. I would like to have coffee. بون مدل كونيري أمبال. there space كوني وي بوتا وينوجن كبانا فنتت زبالهم كله. where is the book? the book is there. أبتي الله كنا بنكلمنا. there جن ناتاتهم أمبال. the book is theirs. ويكا this is their book. ناتهم بس حافي. أمبال نتكلمونه. لذي كم تيام جمرة ذلكوا إذا ميت قالت يوم أب إنترنت كم مسحفتن كبتفاعل دبدبتاتن تمريزهم توم بتداعمي زبز حز داعمو most common words يوم نزيم بملح نتوم سام ذلوا sentence بملومات فرق قعزوناي ملكت قام إنجليزنا تقعزنا لنا مالتي. Don't forget to subscribe and share. Thanks.